Well, I am ninja, he's ninja, she is ninja too. I am ninja, we are ninja, and I believe that you are ninja too.
Oh, neck snap! This is an anti-shout out, or a shout in. Yeah, that's right, I am shouting, because a certain band with the initials NIN and a certain band with the initials JA are in big trouble, my friend, doing a tour entitled Ninja without the express written in blood consent from the International Order of Ninjas is, but you know what, it's just plain rude. Look at this logo! Don't go putting a slash in the middle of a ninja unless you want a ninja to put a slash in the middle of you. And I'm not talking about cutting you with a sword. I will actually take the former guitar player from Guns N' Roses and shove him through the middle of you. Hat and all, while he's playing Sweet Child O' Mine. How many guitar licks does it take to get to the center of Perry Farrell? One! Look, I don't want to be a negative Nelly, but your tour is going to be horrible, boring, and dead if you don't get some real flippin' ninjas involved. Did that sound like a threat? I hope so, because threats are one of the things that ninjas are awesome at. Little I need a tan Resner. Vitamin D is a healthy part of life. Threw up this tweet complaining that Live Nation didn't ask his input on one of the concert promotions. You don't need Twitter. You need a hitter. If you had a real ninja getting your 360, anyone who didn't get your input would get put in. Probably a dragon's mouth, but definitely at least a playland area at McDonald's. Those are not fun for anybody over the age of understanding that there's a fine line between cooties and the Black Plague. Why am I the ball cleaner? The horrible name for a job and a horrible job. My deadly sharp point is, if you are not a member of NIN or JA, Twitter bomb these fools and let them know that if they don't get some real ninja action going on that tour, they're gonna have to name it the Didn't We Used to Have Throats Tour 2009. Roadhouse! The third band on the bill, Street Sweeper, gets a pass because Boots Riley knows what time it is. Fight illiteracy! Buy the Ninja Handbook! Then, when illiteracy walks in, BAM! It'll never read what hit it. Let's get into book.com.